Sometimes you will run into problems with garbled display, and this is usually the problem of these screws here, these 5 screws here. They're not screwed down, or they don't apply even pressure on this display here. You see there's some terminals here, and also down here. Looks like a strip of metal. Those are actually contacts that this display has to be held against a sensing strip here and here. So the 5 screws here, if they're not screwed down with even pressure, your display will not come out good. You might have 0 instead of an 8, or you're missing some numbers. That's because these screws aren't tightened down correctly, and the pressure is not enough to make good contact. So you see these contacts here, and these 2 terminals that are connected to the display screen. These have to be in good contact. That's why you have to tighten down the 5 screws. Here. So these are the contacts that you have to clean. You can use a Q-tip, dip with alcohol and clean it. I just spray a little bit of the contact cleaner on there. Yeah, that's it. I sprayed a little too much, but that's okay. So after cleaning, and if the buttons still don't work, they might be too worn, just like any old remote control, the keys, they don't work. You can enhance the function of the keypad by using this type of sticky pad button replacement. So to use this, you detach one of these black dots. They come in different sizes, and there's a cutout that you can just push out, and then it's self-sticking, and you put it over your sensor here, right, like that. And then this will enhance the function of the keypad buttons here. It will make the buttons work better, and this should make your display work again. So the other usual problem with these watt meter is the battery here. They go bad. They're rechargeable, 3.6 volt nickel metal hydride. And to repair that, you can of course replace it. They're spot welded, or you can take it out, just use a screwdriver to detach the contacts, remove the battery, and the unit will work again. Although you lose a memory function, once the unit is unplugged from the wall, you won't be able to get the previous readings, but the watt meter will still be working again.